Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to play with friends for online multiplayer in Delta Force. Now what you want to do is actually go and first select a game mode. Okay, let's say we pick King of the Hill, right? And what you need to do once you've picked your game, you come to your friends list and then you'll see your friends. You just click on this, flag icon with the plus icon next to it. You click on it, you basically send them an invite. As you can see, squad up request has been sent. And then they'll be able to join. What you can actually also do, you can invite globally as well. You can invite people globally. And you just come here, right? Create a squad. You post one for a squad up. That will be the map. You can do whether you want the mic on or not. You can choose squad tags. You post it up. And there we go. Need to enable our mic for this option, and really that easy, and people will be able to join. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.